Welcome to Unacademy. Today we will discuss another question from paper 2, unit 10, major issue in Indian administration. One of the important unit. Every year you will expect more than 80 marks from this. This question was asked in 2016 and a 20 marker question. 200 word answer. This question is, what is the reason for growth of administrative tribunal? So two part of this question. First is, what is administrative tribunal? What is administrative tribunal? And reason of growth is nothing but need of administrative tribunal, or same thing, need of administrative tribunal or a reason of growth of administrative tribunal. And advantage of administrative tribunal, disadvantage of administrative tribunal. Just look at it. What are tribunal? What is the need or reason of growth of administrative tribunal? What are the advantage of administrative tribunal? Simultaneously disadvantage of administrative tribunal, and second ARC on administrative tribunal. This is a full package answer of this question. Need, requirement, advantage, disadvantage, and second Administrative Reform Commission view on administrative tribunal. So we will discuss the answer. What is administrative tribunal and what is this? Before that, some information to you. Unacademy, India's largest platform. There are many plus features. In plus feature, you have complete syllabus, unlimited practice set, unlimited PDF and regular doubt clearing session. And special class feature, these are free class. Here you have interactive session, you get poll, you get lecture note, you can watch it anytime, anywhere. So watch my special class for public administration optional tomorrow at 4 p.m. We are discussing the most probable question for 2020 mains exam. There are many batch courses launches. This is Pariksha and Answer Writing batch course 29 October, ASO High Court batch 1st November, OSSC exam batch 3rd November, Manthan batch 5th November, ASO Secretariat 10 November. This is the price 1440 3600 6480 7920 and 1152. This is, and use this code DSY Live, you will get a 10% discount whatever subscription you want to take. So this is your Unacademy. I usually take public administration optional for OPSC civil service main exam and use this code DSY Live. I have written this book for Odisha civil service main examination. Complete syllabus, unit wise previous year OPSC question, model answer long and short, an important report of second ARC given. It is also useful for UPSC civil service main exam. So have a look. And this would be your approach to study public administration by remembering syllabus, understand the interrelation between different units, read summary of paper 1 with paper 2, analyze previous year question, make structural note or mind map. So we are discussing this major issue in Indian administration, and major issue has interpreted or interpretation of basic concept, interpretation of accountability control, interpretation of administrative law and reform, interpretation of personal administration. So 60% of this unit already covered in paper 1 that I have told in class. And the third batch start on just 1 November. We are discussing now comparative public administration. So I take altogether 100 class of 1.5 hour each. We discuss both paper 1 and paper 2. All previous year main question we will discuss. Focus is on answer writing and how you add current information in second years in your answer for value addition, that we are going to discuss. So get back to our question. Again, what are the reasons for growth of administrative tribunal? What are tribunal? What is their need? What is the advantage, disadvantage, second ARC? Okay, so administrative tribunal, remember this is nothing but the concept administrative adjudication. Administrative adjudication. So what is administrative adjudication? When administration solve dispute, when administration adjudicate matter, when administration feel sue of judges, this is administrative adjudication. When administration feel sues of judges, when it solve dispute, when it adjudicate matter, it is known as, or we can play role of judiciary. It plays the role of judiciary. This is known as administrative adjudication. So we can also call that administration interpret law. Administration interpret law under the concept administrative adjudication. Okay, interpret law. So this is, and the example we can give. Example of administrative adjudication is tribunal, be it CAT, SAT, JET, Central Administrative Tribunal, State Administrative Tribunal, Joint Administrative Tribunal, Rent Tribunal, Income Tax Tribunal, Electricity Tribunal, National Green Tribunal. There are many tribunals are there. So these are examples of administrative adjudication. After that, the reason of growth. Reason of growth, or we can call need of administrative tribunal. So you say that when already there is judiciary, when already there is judges, what is the need of administration to adjudicate matter? This is. So these are some most important reasons. First is administration have expertise in administrative matter. So judgment is flawless. Same thing, judiciary have no expertise in administrative matter. This is one. Third, huge pendency of case in court. Huge pendency of case in court. So the concept of tarik pe tarik, tarik pe tarik, tarik pe tarik. Okay, huge pendency of case in court that result into policy paralysis in administration. Administration cannot take any decision. That may result in policy paralysis. After that, 5, modern day welfare oriented government need quick law both in formulation and implementation. So both formulation and implementation we need very speed law. So what is the problem if some conflict arise or matter reach to court, it take a long time for solution. It take a long time for solution if a conflict arise in court. So many time this is against welfare administration. So these are some reason for growth and development, and one thing, it is cost effective. Speedy justice delivery. So this is, now you write the advantage of administrative adjudication. So first, as usual, speedy justice, no policy paralysis, expert interpretation of law, expert justice, unburden law court, means no more pendency of case in normal law court. So these are the advantage of administrative tribunal. Okay, now you have to write the disadvantage of administrative tribunal or administrative adjudication. So very simple thing, the disadvantage of tribunal, the separation of the concept of separation of power between executive, legislative, judiciary, it is violated, because according to this, the judiciary should interpret law, legislator formulate law, executive interpret law, implement law. But under administrative adjudication, it is the administration who implement law simultaneously, interpret law. The administration implement law and interpret law under administrative adjudication. So this might result into new despotism, biased justice, and the administrator lack legal knowledge, so that may be a problem. The administration lack legal knowledge. Next, spoiled system of appointment in tribunal. That means the close someone, if he is close to the government, he is appointed in tribunal. So the judgment may be biased towards the government. The judgment may be biased towards the government. Spoil system of appointment in tribunal. So these are the major disadvantage. And yes, administration turn into authoritarian, administration may turn into institutional. Instead of instrumental, it become institutional. So these are some major disadvantages of administrative tribunal. We have to solve it to make it more effective. So what are the solution? First and major things, merit based recruitment, legal training, some judicial member should be appointed in tribunal. There must be some framework or guideline. They work under the supervision of judiciary. They must work under the supervision of judiciary so that the arbitrary nature will be removed. The arbitrary nature will be removed. So this is, after that you write that second ARC under Birappa Moili. Second ARC under Birappa Moili give recommendation to improve the suggest recommendation to improve the efficiency of administrative adjudication or tribunal. Okay, so that it can effectively solve the purpose for which it was established under Article 323, 323A, 323B. So write this. Okay, and as I said, tomorrow at 4 p.m. special class where we discuss important question for 2020 mains. Important question for 2020 mains. And which unit? Central Administration in India. Central Administration in India. We will discuss tomorrow. So must join this class. If you haven't downloaded Unacademy Learner app, download it and join the class. So meet you tomorrow at 4 p.m. Thank you everyone.